In this video, I will show you how to create a crew logo in Blox. So let's jump straight into it. So to do this, it's just a few steps you're going to want to complete, and the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to roblox.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, if you come up to the top left hand corner, you're going to want to click on to create up here. And next from here, what you're going to want to do in this menu at the top, you want to click onto development items. Now in the options that come up underneath, you want to click onto decals and then go ahead and click the upload asset button. So what you can now do is upload your own image. Of course, there's a ton of free images you can use online, or what you can do is use an existing image that you've purchased from the Roblox marketplace. You need to make sure the format is in the appropriate format, so JPEG, PNG, TGA or BMP, and the decal uploads must be smaller than 8000 by 8000 pixels, and they will be downsized if they're larger than 1024 by 1024. Also take note that the maximum size per file is 20 megabytes. So once you bear that in mind, go ahead and click the upload button to upload your image. So once you've uploaded your image, you can then go ahead and name your image. So I'm just going to call this one crew logo, and then you can put a description if you want to in the box there. Once that's done, just scroll down to the bottom and click the blue upload button. So if your image meets the requirements, you're going to be taken back to this screen, and you can see that's in the process of being uploaded. So what you want to do now is come back to roblox.com. Next from here, if you come to the menu on the left hand side, you want to click onto inventory. And then in the category menu, what you want to do is come down and click onto decals. So you can see that my decal is here. So now what you want to do is actually click on to your logo, and then at the very top you want to highlight the URL and just go ahead and copy this. Once you've gone ahead and done that, go ahead and load up Blox. So as you can see, we're now here in Blox. Now what you want to do from here is come over to the left hand side to this little toolbar, and you want to click onto this little pirate icon over here. And then all you want to do, where it says logo link here, what you want to do is paste the URL that you copied previously into here. And then once you press enter, that's going to go ahead and change your crew logo. So of course you can do this for any other images. All you need to do is simply copy the image URL. So that's how to go ahead and create a crew logo in Blox. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.